what she said. How can you say it's coaching?
Do you have ears? I've been hearing it for 3 sets. Do you have ears? Connected to your head? Use them. You can use them if you want. All right? Good. Do you want me to send you a fax or an email so you can check it out, or what? No? 1 foot from the ball. I'm going to speak very slowly so that you can understand me. You don't think, had I not heard a call, I couldn't have touched the ball? 100% I could listen for a second instead of talking all damn day. You don't think I could have touched the ball? 100% I could not have touched the ball. You're an idiot. You have to be like a 2nd grade dropout to be an umpire? You go to school until you were 8 years old? You played the shot.
Yes.
You can't be, you have to stop it immediately, right?
You did.
You have to hit.
Hey, Andy. 13-15. Again. That's what I said.
That was the same guy on the far sideline. Okay, you got it right, but maybe she's moving. For me, it was very clear. I was standing right there. So change her. Where's the supervisor? Supervisor. She was like affected by the fact that he said, come on, that's a junior trick, and she got affected by it. So move her over.